to my channel. If this is the first time you come across me, thank you for clicking the video and watching it. I was kind of hesitant at first whether I should film it in English or Arabic, but I figured I would film it in English and add Arabic subtitles to it for everyone to be able to watch. So this video is intended for anyone who want to learn a new language, or you might have already started learning a new language but you're finding trouble with finding that right balance between both languages. So I hope you can find my tips and tricks very helpful for you. This is what I've been following for the past few years, and I really want to motivate you to get started on this learning language journey because it's absolutely my most rewarding experience and I really find a lot of enjoyment out of it. So without further ado, let's get into the tips and tricks. So tip number one, which is the most important tip out of all, is to avoid learning new languages at the same time. And I know that kind of is ironic to my title, but what I basically mean is if you're planning to learn two languages at the same time, you are better off if you are more advanced in one language than the other. If you're planning to start both languages from scratch at the same time, I assure you're gonna find a lot of trouble, and that is basically because there's no way on earth you can make your brain absorb all the information at the same time into completely different languages. So what I would highly recommend you doing is allocate, let's say, 2 to 3 months, fully dedicate them to learning the more difficult language. So to me, when I started learning French at first a few years ago, and now when I'm learning Spanish, luckily I found that French is way more difficult than Spanish. And so when I transitioned into learning Spanish, it was a way easier transition for me than, let's say, if I have originally started with learning Spanish and then proceeded to learn French. So I would highly advise against learning them from scratch at the same time. Just give yourself 2 to 3 months, get the basics in one language, which is supposed to be the more difficult one, and then transition to incorporate the other language, which is supposed to be kind of the easier one, in a sense that you are more likely to find a lot of commonalities between that language and the language you've already started a couple of months ago, or maybe with another language that you already know. Tip number 2 would be to make a schedule. So what I mean by that is basically try to study language X, let's say, in the morning, and language Y in the afternoon. That is essentially what I've been doing as well. Throughout the week, let's say if I know that I don't have anything on Monday and I'm completely free, then I would wake up, let's say at 10:30 a.m. and I would start learning Spanish from 11 to, let's say, 2 o'clock. I dedicate 3 full hours just to learning Spanish. And then in the afternoon, I would also allocate 3 hours, exactly the same amount of time I would allocate it to the other language, to learn French as well. That way, it is better for me to transition from one language to another in the same day because I've already allocated 2 to 3 hours fully dedicated for that one particular language. And then when I proceeded to the other language, I'm still in the mindset for learning languages. However, if I only study one language a day and then the other language on a different day, that kind of takes more effort for me. And then what I would do is the following week I would do the same thing. So if I studied language X in the morning, I would stick to that schedule and also study language X in the morning the following week and the week after. This is because you're trying to make your brain adapt to a completely new lifestyle. So it's easier when you stick to a particular lifestyle over the days. That way you are more likely to absorb new information and you're not just jumping from one language to another. So tip number 3 is actually my favorite tip, and it is to have different notebooks for each language. So I'm using these 2 notebooks, and this is for Spanish and this is for French. Just try to make them as appealing as possible. I like to get beautiful covers because that just makes me more motivated to study for that particular language. By no means do these 2 notebooks share the same organization, and what I mean by that is, like, let's say because I'm learning Spanish from scratch, so obviously I had to start with the most basic stuff for that language. So I started, like, let's say this is I divided it into lesson 1. Lesson 1, I wrote down the most basic vocabulary, as you guys can see. I don't know if you can see well, but essentially I would get more than one color, and one color would be just for Spanish translation and then the other color would be for the English translation. That way I can pick up on them more easily. And so I wrote down some vocab from class, but because I want to get ahead of the class, I even wrote down way more vocab than what the professor gave us. And then the next page would be to write down phrases where those phrases vocab is essentially taken from the previous list that I just learned. That way I know how to make phrases with these vocab words. And so that is my Spanish organization. However, that's completely different with my French one because, as I said, I am more advanced in French. So I divided this notebook into 2 parts. Part 1 is writing idioms and French slang phrases. And for the second part is essentially the course I'm currently taking. So the course I'm currently taking is how to apply for jobs in French. And so these are all the new terms I'm currently learning in class that is pertain to the professional settings and how to apply for jobs in French. And then again, what I did is I took phrases where I would apply those vocabulary from the previous list into making my own phrases as well. That's what I'm essentially doing with those two notebooks. So as you can see, they are completely different organization. You do what works best for you. Tip number 5 is to try to find a lot of resources online. I can't insist enough on how many resources you can get your hands on online. My 4 favorite resources are YouTube, Duolingo, Pinterest, and Quizlet. So for YouTube, you can find a huge amount of videos where people are speaking that particular language you're trying to learn. It is a very good way for you to test the waters and see if you're gonna like that particular language from people who are native speakers. And I just love YouTube for everything, aside from languages as well. The second resources, which is Duolingo. I've talked a lot about this. Duolingo is my favorite learning app. I can be learning any language at any time. Anywhere I can be practicing a new language. So it's very convenient and very practical for me, and I'm pretty sure you can find it very practical too if you just want to also test the waters to see if you're gonna like that one language, or if you also want to keep up with learning a particular language at times when you don't really have much time. Resource number 3 is Pinterest. You can find a lot of resources, a lot of blog posts on how to learn languages effectively, and I know I like Pinterest for everything, but speaking of languages, they have a really huge niche dedicated fully for languages. So if you just look up in the search bar, let's say how to learn language X, it's going to show you a lot of people who have written blog posts on methods to learning new languages, as well as free resources that you can literally download on your laptop. And that's what I did. I came across a lot of resources for French and Spanish where they give you like the most common phrases or the most common words to be used in France or in Spain. I literally downloaded a bunch of Excel sheets with those words that they tend to use most often, and I find it really practical and way more helpful for me. Resource number 4 is Quizlet. So for those of you who don't know Quizlet, Quizlet is basically a website where you get to create your own flashcards and you can learn them, you can test yourself. Anyone else can also find your Quizlet and test themselves as well. So if you don't have time to make your own flashcards, what I would highly recommend you doing is if you go to the search bar and you look up how to learn language X, you are absolutely gonna find a lot of people who have done previous flashcards for them to learn. So you could also take those flashcards and learn them on your own. That's what I like to do. I like to make one folder dedicated for language X, one folder like dedicated to language Y, and I would, whatever I come across from other people's Quizlets, I would just like add them to my own folder and practice them whenever I'm free. And one last thing I want to say is don't get too caught up with what might people think of you. If someone tells you that this language that you want to learn is not as appealing as, let's say, language Y, or if people tell you that this language is too difficult or is not as popularly used as another language, I don't want you to get hindered by what other people might tell you. I've heard this a lot in my life, and none of that was able to hinder my ability to pursue that language, because at the end of the day, I know what I want to learn. It's a very rewarding experience at the end. You're always going to find it very helpful and beneficial to learn any language, no matter what it is. Whether that is when you want to apply for a professional job in your future career, or when you want to travel to a different country and get exposed to its culture. So it's very worth it at the end. It's your decision, it's your life, so just try to make use of it as much as possible. And these are all the tips I have for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.